Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. Lift the toilet lid and seat. Pull up firmly to remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Disconnect the clean water hose. Disconnect all connection cables one by one. Remove the toilet seat lid assembly and place it separately. Prepare the tools listed above. Unscrew the 4 screws on the base of the toilet seat lid assembly. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry open the rear cover clips. On the side of the cover plate, there are 2 screws. First, remove the decorative pad. There is a screw underneath. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the screw. Similarly, on the other side of the cover plate, there is another screw in the same position, which should also be removed. After opening the cover plate, the LED display module is located on the upper cover. It has a cable connected to the main board. First, disconnect the cable. Find the connecting wire on the main board and unplug it. Then use a screwdriver to unscrew the 3 screws fixing the LED display module. Remove the entire LED display. When we get the new LED display module, there is a notch on it that corresponds to a notch on the upper cover. Place it in position. Make sure it's in the right direction. Then, refix the screws. Reconnect the cable to the main board. Tie up the cables with a zip tie to bundle them neatly. Snap the base and toilet seat lid assembly together. Fix the 4 screws tightly. Install it back onto the ceramic bowl. Connect the battery cable. Connect the diverter valve cable. Make sure the arrows on the cables match. Connect the kick control cable. Connect the pump cable. Reconnect the clean water hose. Finally, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.